Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from two different Tuesday mornings, and just wanted to show you what I got. So 2 different days, but I'm just doing it all in one haul. I found some more napkins on clearance. They had more, but just got these 2 packs. Of course they won't sell clearance, but I got this one. I love the color combination, and then that palm tree, and then this orange, and they had the Chinese writing right here. I just thought that was kind of cool, and the butterfly. I just love the background of orange. So, and that was on clearance as well. I found this first time I saw this one, but I like all the different circles. So this one actually also coordinates with S4114, one of the circle dies. I don't know if I had that one or not. The number sounds familiar. But anyway, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 stamp circles. And so you can use it individually or collectively. I thought this would be great for backgrounds and for one of my other items that I bought to use with that, and I'll show you that in just a second. And then I got this one, Happy Grams number 4. It was on clearance, and it just kind of looks like a note page, and so you can kind of see those circles right there. They get one 3-pack of Boston photos, which is still a good price, $149. It says thank you, thinking of you, and happy birthday. I like the font on it, so I got those. These are great to take an envelope, run your envelope through it. On the page of a card, the edge of a card, you can cut the strip out and use the strip separately. You can distress those. You can use inks inside of your Boston folder and run it through your Boston folder and have an impression in it. It's a lot of different things you can do, or you can use it with Perfect Pearls. So a lot of things you can do with your Boston folders. I did pick these up. These were the Heritage charms. Thought they'd be nice heavy dangles. Got a couple rub-ons. This one is the Bible journaling one. They were $1.49 each, and you can see those. I love the colors. They're just nice and pop. And then they had this whimsical one by Pink Paisley, and these are also rub-ons, and they have very positive stuff on this one too, so I thought I'd get this one too as well. And then I got this one about creative devotion, which I had the other one they had out, but this one just really didn't have any sentiments, just some of the images. So I like those little swatches, so I got those. And those are not just for Bible. You can use them Bible journaling, that you can use on memory deck cards, ATCs, iCads, different things like that, zines. So you're not limited to that. Art journals. I need some more brushes, so I got this pack right here for $4.99, and it has 25 different pieces in here, and they have on the back to tell you which each one of those brushes are for, how you use them. So oh, I just realized it's ripped. Hopefully it ain't gonna come out. But anyway, I got that, and I got this stamp set for $2.49, and this is all about eating with your planners or different things like that. Your meal plan, lunch, breakfast, dinner, brunch, and all the little food sentiments. And I may have this one. If I do, I maybe take it back or put it in one of my little giveaway buckets. And this is another rub-on, which I've bought this one before. And then I did get 2 Tim Holtz. I got some of his washi. They had it for $3.99. They also had some for $4.99. And the weird thing is, both of these have 8 yards total and 8 rows, and these were $3.99. But the ones that had the 6 rows and 6 yards were $4.99. Now, granted, all of those, they didn't have these, like the 2 skinny ones up the top, but I really get the 2 skinny ones because you can use these on anything else, and for the price. The other ones are more, I say, bigger, wider. But anyway, so I got, this is Tape Rose, and then this one is French. Just because I really didn't have any of this washi. I thought I did have some. If I did, I don't know where it's at. I can't find it. It's not in with my other washes. because I looked for it when I was in the class. And I did end up getting, they had some of his plain collage paper, and I just got some from Michael's. And so this is plain, so you can decorate it the way you want it. You can take this and stamp it and just do all kinds of stuff with it. So it's 7 yards each. I believe you have 7 yards each. And since it was only these two, I figured I'd get them because I hadn't seen them in any other stores. And you know, these can last for how long whenever you get around to it. So that's the neat thing about it. And you can use pieces of it, all of it, however you want to do it. You know, you can rip it apart and make collages out of it. So, and it is very easy with your matte medium, nicely, it stamps nicely. So wanted to get that, and so that stamp right here I thought would be nice up here too, as well as some other stamps that I have in mind. So the last thing I got was it's a matte acrylic gel for $4.99, and this was by Vicky Booten. I hadn't tried hers, so I figured I'd just get it and see. And for the price, you know, the other matte gel I got from gel medium that I got from Michael's was like, what, $16.99 or $12.99, something like that. But some fun fact that a lot of people don't know: mixed media, the media is the plural of medium, that gel medium. But anyway, so that is it for this haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye.